Take a bite and then immediately wash it down with the Sprite.
Alright, here we are with our Travis Scott meal review.
The 2 Travis Scott meals. 2 things of barbecue sauce, 2 medium french fries, 2 Sprites.
My main concern with the Travis Scott meal would be, what is the burger like? What is the Travis Scott burger?
I'm pretty sure it's just a
regular.
I'm pretty sure it has bacon on it and like extra cheese.
Okay, alright. I don't see
Dog.
any special sauce.
They didn't give us any barbecue sauce.
Oh my goodness. So I was expecting some kind of like special Travis sauce. I really feel like there should be a sauce. I was imagining like a Big Mac, you know, like
like secret
Big
sauce.
Mac.
Yeah.
There's no secret sauce on here. It's just ketchup, mayo.
Where the fuck's the barbecue at? That was the thing. Was the barbecue sauce?
All right. Pretty good.
First bite.
That's really solid. First impressions. Normal ass McDonald's burger. I don't see the Travis Scott angle.
It tastes like a quarter pounder.
Yeah.
It tastes like a quarter pounder.
Oh, dude, hold up a second.
Take a bite and then immediately wash it down with the Sprite. I think that's what Travis is trying to get at.
I think there might be something to that. Maybe like the combination of what's in the meal. Comes with fries as well.
Comes with a medium fry, yeah.
You know? I've had plenty of these before, but
What do you think?
would Travis Scott be happy with this meal? Like, are they?
I think this deal's probably making him like millions and millions of dollars.
He's probably pretty happy.
So he's probably pretty happy. I'm not saying it's bad at all, you know, but there isn't really anything to it.
It lacks the pizzazz that the music of Travis Scott has.
Yeah.
It's missing the magic.
It's no Astroworld.
It's no Astroworld. Like, how heavily is it endorsed by Travis Scott? He's not on the bag.
Is he
not
on
on the
TikTok?
box. The lack of sauce disturbs me.
Yeah, no Travis sauce.
The lack of branding, of promotion by Travis Scott disturbs me. I don't know. Price point is a little high. I feel like you're paying for that Travis experience for sure.
It might have been better if he did it partnered with like Applebee's or something.
I would like to see
I think
that.
he might have like, I mean, obviously it wouldn't like reach the same kind of market and the same like volume of people. But I think that, you know, like an actual specialty burger, I want to see Travis in the kitchen.
I want to see some Travis sauce.
I want to see him like flex his creative muscles, his creative culinary muscles.
We're not disappointed in Travis, but we did expect a little more.
I don't know, maybe we're missing something just because we don't have a barbecue sauce.
I feel like that might be it. That might be the secret ingredient. I might grab it. I'm going to showcase my shame a little bit. This is a collection of sauces. Tangy barbecue from McDonald's. The sauce, a little bad there.
And it tastes like a quarter pounder with cheese and bacon and now barbecue sauce.
It's perfect now. I'm going to say solid, maybe like 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10, whoa.
8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 French fries.
Dude, I was thinking like hard 4.
Okay. I mean, that's fair. That's fair. I feel strongly about McDonald's, and that's like my personal issue.
I forgot that McDonald's is your favorite restaurant.
Yeah, it is my favorite restaurant. Don't want to believe that they can do any wrong.
I think that if like McDonald's had anything that put out like a 6 or a 7, for me personally, I would eat there every day. You know?